Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony MDR-ZX770BN Bluetooth headphones. First, make sure your headphones have enough power for a smooth connection. A full charge ensures uninterrupted pairing. Next, find the power button, usually on the left ear cup, and press and hold it for approximately 2 seconds. You'll know they are on when a blue indicator light begins to flash, confirming they are ready for the next step. Now that your headphones are powered on, let's get them into pairing mode. Press and hold the power button once more, this time for about 7 seconds. You'll see the indicator light flash blue and red alternately, which means your headphones are actively searching for a device. It's a good idea to keep your Bluetooth device, like your smartphone or tablet, within 1 meter or 3 feet of the headphones during this step. With your headphones in pairing mode, grab your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Go into your device's settings and find the Bluetooth menu. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then initiate a scan for new devices. You should see MDR-ZX770BN appear in the list. Tap on it to select and complete the pairing process. A successful connection is usually confirmed by a solid blue light on your headphones. Once connected, the indicator light on your Sony headphones will typically glow a solid blue, confirming a successful pairing. To ensure everything is working perfectly, play some audio from your connected device, whether it's music, a podcast, or a video. Enjoy your wireless listening experience. Your headphones are designed to automatically reconnect to the last paired device when powered on, making future use super convenient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.